That's what dogs are for. I'm breaking eggs now, and I'm gonna break them into this dish just in case any shells fall in. It's not cracking. Yeah, it exploded. Like I'm trying to make it not explode at all.
There you go.
Uh-oh, Oh. I hope this doesn't explode. Great. Curdy, another mess. Grammy, will you do the rest? Curdy! Come here. Oops. That's what dogs are for. Cleaning up messes. Curdy, can you lick my apron too? Look. Curdy? Curdy, look. Can you clean up my apron, please?